Hello, how are you guys? Welcome to channel Interesting Fact. In this video the admin will provide 5 information about interesting facts that exist in the world. Enjoy watching. Did you know that President George Herbert Walker Bush despised broccoli so much that it was prohibited from Air Force One jets? Some people adore it, while others despise it so much that they strive to outlaw it entirely. We're talking about broccoli, of course. However, instead of the leaves, the stem and blossoms are the most delicious components of broccoli, although you can eat them too. So, what's the deal with broccoli, and why is it so divisive? Let's take a deeper look and see what we can find out. Number 1. The Romans placed a high importance on broccoli. Broccoli has a far longer history than you would assume. Broccoli, like many other vegetables we consume today, was developed from a variety of sources. The Etruscans, an ancient Italian civilization that before the Roman Empire, were the first to cultivate this vegetable. Around the 6th century BC, the Etruscans began cultivating the vegetable. Many features of Etruscan culture were borrowed by the Romans, notably their fondness for broccoli. Number 2. It was dubbed Italian asparagus in England. As previously stated, broccoli is a member of the cabbage family, which also includes cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, collard greens, and kohlrabi. Despite this, the vegetable was mistakenly identified with asparagus when it first arrived in England. Despite being a favorite cuisine of the Romans, it appears that it took a long time for it to expand outside Italy. In France, for example, the first mention of it dates from the 1500s. It was still relatively unknown in England more than 200 years later, with a famous gardening lexicon referring to it as Italian asparagus. Number 3. Broccoli did not become popular in the United States until the 1920s. One of the first records we have connected to broccoli in the United States dates back to Thomas Jefferson, the 3rd President of the United States. See, Jefferson had a green thumb, and as a result, he would regularly swap seeds with his European friends. Broccoli seeds were among the seeds he received, which he reported planting at his Virginia plantation on May 27, 1767. Broccoli didn't become popular until the 1920s, when Italian migrants brought it here and began eating it on a daily basis. For decades, it was nearly solely consumed by Italian migrants and their descendants until becoming more widely consumed. Number 4. George Herbert Walker Bush banned broccoli on Air Force One. Some individuals despise broccoli, while others despise broccoli so much that they openly swear that they will never see the vegetable again. That man, believe it or not, was George Herbert Walker Bush, the 41st President of the United States of America. I don't like broccoli, and I haven't liked it since I was a small child and my mother forced me to eat it, Bush said in a news conference. I'm President of the United States, and I'm not going to eat any more broccoli. When asked why he had banned the vegetable from all Air Force One aircraft, he stated this. Number 5. Broccoli is really good for your health. First and foremost, if you know how to prepare broccoli properly, it may be quite tasty. Most individuals who loathe it, like George Herbert Walker Bush, have only ever eaten it when it was overcooked, mushy, and disgusting. The reality is that broccoli is extraordinarily healthy, so much so that the phrase, superfood, is frequently used to describe it. It's abundant in protein, fiber, and vitamin C, as well as vitamin A, vitamin B6, potassium, and calcium, to name a few nutrients. It's also high in antioxidants, helpful for digestion, and has even been linked to cancer prevention. It's time to put an end to the taboo surrounding broccoli. Although there is no such thing as a terrible vegetable, there is such a thing as a lousy chef. If you've never been a lover of a vegetable like broccoli, ask a buddy who enjoys cooking to prepare some for you. And those were 5 interesting facts that I can convey. May be useful. And don't forget to press the subscribe button, like, comment so that this channel can develop and always be able to provide other interesting facts. Thank you.